Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to add, edit or remove any featured channel on your YouTube account easily. So first of all, go to your YouTube account and log in. Then simply click on your YouTube channel logo and go to your channel. And when you are there, simply click on Customize Channel. And when you are there, simply scroll down. And at the right side you will be able to find featured channels. I have added some channels and I'm just going to show you something, and click on the edit on the pen icon and edit module. Okay, as you can see that I have added some of my favorite channels in the list. And now beside having Joseph IT, I have also created a channel named German Ladder. It is one of the most famous channel on the YouTube to learn German language easily. Okay, you can subscribe to this channel and can learn German language for free. Okay, now I'm just going to add this channel to there in order to increase my subscriber. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply use this URL of German Ladder there. Okay, copying it, and I'm just willing to add these two on the place of Ziobo. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove this from there and then going to enter the URL there. Okay, and clicking on add, and the channel is there. Okay, by this way you can add any channel on your featured channel, and if you want to replace any channel, you can simply hover your mouse there and can drag this to there and it will be replaced. Okay, and if you want to remove, then you can simply click on the cross, it will be deleted. And by this simple way you can add, remove or edit any YouTube channel and can set yours easily. And click on done to finish. Okay, and now as you can see, my channel German Ladder is there, and now the visitors will be able to watch my channel from here. And lastly, I hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.